Is this clickbait? Yes. Yes, it is clickbait. Thank you for asking. Hi guys, it's Jenna. Today we're going to be answering this question I get all the time, which is how often should I be posting on social media? 5 times a day? 5 times a week? 5 times a year? Let's talk about it. I have restarted shooting this video so many times because the truth is there is no answer to this question. I so wish I could just give you a magical number and say post this many times a week or a month or a year and you'll be good. But there's no answer like that because your social media strategy needs to be for you. It needs to be based on you and your business and your audience and your marketing goals. Just like any other marketing strategy, we can't just copy and paste someone else's plan. It needs to be yours. So here are some guidelines to consider when deciding how often you will be posting on social media. My clients post between 2 and 10 times a week. You can have a thriving social media community that converts to sales and post twice a week. You can have a thriving social media community around your brand and post 10 times a week. Both answers work. What matters is quality over quantity. So make sure that every post you put up, you truly believe in. Make sure it stands by your brand guidelines, that it's entertaining or educational or inspirational. Those are the things I always use. Make sure you stand by every post that's going live. Don't ever just post for the sake of posting because you think you should or because somebody told you to. That's not why we're posting. It matters too much to just throw it away like that. So between 2 and 10 times a week, that's on like your Instagram main feed and your stories. And you gotta just do what's right for you.